Mudra of the inner self. First, hold your hands in this position in front of your forehead and look through the opening without blinking, as long as you can. Then lower your arms and hold the mudra an inch or so beneath your chin for a while. Your hands will automatically be at the spot where the place of the soul lies according to the ancient mysteries, and they form a temple around it. Now pay attention to your breathing. With every exhalation, very gently whisper Hu and let yourself be carried through the little opening into infinity, into the great mystery. When we hold this mudra while sitting in the meditation position with crossed legs, many triangles are formed with our body parts, beginning with a little space between the fingers, above the hands, arms, legs, and the entire body posture. The triangle is the symbol of the divine, and our body now expresses this through its posture in a number of ways. This mudra is a prayer without words, a silent meditation, a devotion to the divine. With this mudra, we enter the realm of the unfathomable, the divine.